For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a freight brokerage business can be both profitable and rewarding if approached with the right tools and strategies. A freight broker acts as the middleman between shippers who have goods to move and carriers who can transport those goods. With recent advancements in artificial intelligence, particularly free AI tools, aspiring freight brokers can now streamline their startup process without heavy upfront investments. This guide will walk you step by step through how to launch a freight brokerage business using these AI resources effectively. Step 1. Understand the freight brokerage industry. Before launching a business, it is crucial to understand the landscape. Research how freight brokers operate, what regulations they must follow, the role of technology in the field, and the key players in the industry. You can use free AI chatbots like ChatGPT to simulate a Q&A session for self-learning. Prompt suggestion: explain how a freight brokerage business works and what steps are required to get started in the USA. AI tool: ChatGPT. Used to answer foundational questions, provide definitions, and simulate an interactive tutorial on industry basics. Step 2. Draft a business plan using AI. A solid business plan outlines your goals, market, structure, and financial projections. AI tools can help you create a professional, detailed plan quickly. Prompt suggestion: create a detailed business plan for a US-based freight brokerage business, including executive summary, market analysis, business structure, revenue model, startup costs, and marketing strategy. AI tool: ChatGPT. Generate structured content for business plans based on user inputs like location, target market, and budget. For financial projections, use Excel with the help of AI assistants like Excel Formula Bot or Google Sheets integrated with AI, e.g., Google Gemini, to model costs and revenues. Step 3. Choose a business name and register the company. A strong brand name helps you stand out. Use free AI naming generators, such as Namelix, to brainstorm name ideas based on your niche and style preferences. Prompt suggestion: generate unique and professional name ideas for a freight brokerage company targeting small to mid-size U.S. manufacturers. Once the name is chosen, register your business as an LLC or other legal entity through your state's Secretary of State website. Use ChatGPT to guide you through your state-specific registration steps. Prompt suggestion: how do I register an LLC for freight brokerage business in Florida? Step 4. Get your broker authority, MC number, and bond. To legally operate, you must apply for broker authority from the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA. You'll also need a $75,000 freight broker bond. Use ChatGPT to get a step-by-step list of everything required to obtain your MC number and bond. Prompt suggestion: what are the requirements to get a freight broker license, MC number, from the FMCSA, and how do I apply for a freight broker bond? AI tool: ChatGPT serves as a regulatory guide to help interpret government forms and compliance documents. Step 5. Set up your office and tools with AI help. You don't need a physical office to start. You can operate from home using virtual office tools. Set up an online phone system, Google Voice, email, Gmail or Outlook, and a CRM, customer relationship management, system like HubSpot free CRM. Use ChatGPT to guide your tech stack decisions. Prompt suggestion: what are the best free tools to run a virtual freight brokerage office from home? Use Trello or Notion with AI plugins for task management, and integrate with ChatGPT for workflow optimization and automation prompts. Step 6. Build a carrier and shipper database using AI. You'll need to establish a reliable network of carriers and shippers. Use AI to help find, contact, and manage leads. LinkedIn and online directories are a great place to start. Prompt suggestion: create an email template to introduce my freight brokerage business to potential shippers. Use ChatGPT to help you craft professional emails, call scripts, and LinkedIn messages. Use Apollo.io free tier to find verified contact info for businesses, then use ChatGPT to write outreach content. AI tool, ChatGPT, for communication scripting and CRM data entry assistance. Step 7. Create a website and branding with AI tools. Establish your online presence using free platforms like Wix or WordPress.com. AI website builders, such as Durable or Bookmark, can generate a full website from a brief description. Prompt suggestion: create website text for a homepage, services page, and contact page for a freight brokerage company. Use Canva's free AI-powered design features to generate logos, social banners, and branded documents. AI tools. Durable AI Website Builder automatically creates business websites in seconds. Canva for AI-generated branding, graphics, and marketing materials. Step 8. Create a marketing plan and content strategy. Your success will depend heavily on visibility and trust. Use ChatGPT to develop a custom marketing plan based on your audience and goals. Prompt suggestion: create a 90-day digital marketing strategy for a new freight brokerage targeting food and beverage manufacturers in the Midwest. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts, social media content, and email newsletters to boost authority and SEO. AI tool, ChatGPT, for writing, scheduling content, and strategic planning. Use tools like Buffer or Later, free versions, to manage social media posts. Step 9. Launch and start booking loads. With your legal setup, network, and online presence in place, you're ready to begin operations. Start reaching out to shippers, negotiate rates, and book loads with your partner carriers. Use ChatGPT to simulate conversations, improve negotiation skills, and troubleshoot problems. Prompt suggestion: write a professional script to use when negotiating rates with trucking carriers. Use Google Sheets with ChatGPT to manage and track loads, payments, carrier documents, and follow-ups efficiently. Step 10. Optimize and automate your operations. Once you start moving loads, efficiency is key. Use ChatGPT to help you create SOPs, standard operating procedures, client onboarding guides, and email automation flows. Prompt suggestion: create a standard operating procedure for onboarding new shippers into my freight brokerage system. Explore free Zapier integrations to automate tasks like sending follow-up emails, tracking shipments, or updating CRM entries. AI tool, ChatGPT, for documentation and automation scripting. AI tool, Zapier, to automate daily workflows between platforms. Conclusion: starting a freight brokerage business once required deep pockets and heavy resources, but with free AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Durable, and Google Sheets, you can reduce startup costs dramatically. These tools support every stage of the process, from planning to marketing and scaling. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.